seen? Hi and welcome back. This week is a fun one, as always, but I got the keys for my first studio, which is so exciting. So I'm beginning the process of setting that up. I also got some new clays to test, which I started testing the sculptural clay with a whale. I think you can see the back there. Just a few little fun things this week. I hope you enjoy. Today's been full of errands, but I can finally step into the studio. I got a bunch of different types of clays to test out and try to see if I would like to use any of them. So I thought I would make a bespoke piece now, because I feel like sitting down and sculpting and being creative. I was choosing between making a whale and a vase, but I think I'm gonna do a whale. So yeah, I'm just gonna spend the next few hours just sitting and making something. Okay, so I've got 4 new types of clay to try and test. This is a highly textured clay, which is best for sculpting, so I'm going to use that one now. This one's a darker brown, this one's a darker red, as it's very clear with the colour. And then this one I want to test out on the wheel for making mugs and taller things. The reason why I'm testing out new clays is because I find that the clay that I'm currently using is great and it doesn't crack a lot. Let's hope I'm not speaking too soon. It doesn't crack a lot, so it's a little bit more lenient in terms of if I wait a little bit too long to attach a handle. The clay that I was using, it struggles to go tall and it struggles to go wide, which is what you need for sculpting. You need a little bit more of a lenient clay to play with, and so a highly textured clay is a lot more strong within itself, so it can just hold itself. So that's for that. And then the 2 different colors, the brown and the red, is just to try out different colors and see what I like. So yeah. Thoughts on the clay? Very nice to sculpt with. I can't believe I haven't gotten a clay like this sooner, because the difference between sculpting with a very textured clay compared to very fine clay is insane. So love it. I'm going to do some glazing and painting. Okay, so for the things that I want to glaze, firstly, this bowl is a sample for a shop. They wanted a big mixing bowl. I'm going to be using a Chino glaze, so I'm going to be glazing it in that. This vase is kind of an experiment that I did. I love how the shape of the vase came out, and the experiment is basically painting on it with watercolor paints to see how it comes out, and then putting a clear seal over it. I just don't love how the watercolor paint turned out. I was going for kind of like lilies and Monet vibe, so I'm just going to glaze over it. Again, I'm going to do that Chino glaze, the Saillie matte, but I do need to do a dip glaze on the inside because I can't get the brush on glaze in there. I'm going to do the dip glaze first, because then if anything dribbles out, I can just clean it up, and then I'll glaze the outside. Okay, now I don't know if this is going to be a good idea or a bad idea, but we'll soon find out. I'm just going to try and pour it straight in there. I really should be using a jug. Oh well. Perfect. What I just collected. Wait 1 second. Just wait. What do you mean? I'm in a magazine. Ah, this is so exciting. Anyway, thought I would just put that out there quickly. On the other hand, over the weekend I made about 30 mugs that need to probably be finished. I'm still getting confirmation, but probably be finished by Friday. Anyway, so I've been doing as much as I can with drying it. There's some of the mugs left over. The fan definitely helped yesterday with drying it out. I have just put them in the oven on a very low temperature just to hopefully finish drying them. thanks so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you would like to follow along on my socials, my ceramic Instagram is klay.ceramics.ws. WS stands for Wendy Stone, and my social Instagram is wen.stone. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll make sure to get back to you. If you enjoyed, see you next time. Bye!